liked about this project was that I got to interact with the students more than I usually do, to ask them questions about what they prefer in a classroom setting. And I got to be able to design and see the effects of what it looked like before and after and during helping out, and also how we're still working on ideas of what we can do and how to make it better. The class that I did this in was Architecture CAD, and I took it because it interested me, and I am also taking interior design and fashion to continue the education of learning how to decorate things and put a design together to make a living space or any like area for people or the public to make it work for them. My role in this project was to basically make a layout and kind of just oversee it and to make sure that everything was doing okay. And I worked in the library to make sure that I was overseeing it and helping moving books. And I made sure to mark through the tables and make sure that we have the things that we should have and see what needed to go that wasn't needed or wasn't good anymore. This project was different than my normal classes because I actually get involved and I actually have hands-on experience where I get to see the effects of what the library looks now to what it looked like before and what the students, how they reacted.
So my main role was in charge of cutting down all the bookshelves. So we basically measured lines, split the bookshelves in half, and then had Mr. Mall use a scroll saw, cut them all down, and then we threw away the bottom halves. I also helped a little bit with putting the TVs in, so we got new TVs, and then we got an audio cabinet, so all the TVs are hooked up together. I like that it was more hands-on. You weren't just writing down words in a packet. You could actually see what you accomplished when the day was out, and you felt like you were doing something that was worthwhile and it wasn't just going to be thrown in the recycling bin after a week. So I like that you're actually hands-on with the work. You're not just learning through memorizing things on a packet. You're learning from trying something, and if it fails, trying to find a new technique of how to do it. And also, if an issue comes up, it's not just the teacher telling you what to do, it's more your peers and you're both trying to find out the same solution. It's more of like what it will be in the actual workforce, not just someone saying what you have to do, but more working together to come up with a solution to the problem.
My role in this studio room project was the design and layout of the room. I got to use Autodesk Revit and draw what our future plans for the studio room will be. And currently, right now, we're still in progress with the studio room. And I got to help out with the library project, which is where we also got these shelves. Right now around the room, we still have old furniture and old equipment up, which we are in the process of removing and replacing with the new studio room equipment. What I liked most about the project was getting to use a new software. I got to be pushed out of my comfort zones and learn something new at the same time. What's different about this than other classes is the hands-on experience. I got to see what I designed and what I created start to come to life. And when we're done with this, it'll be such a great reward to see my design.
My role in this project was repurposing old stage lights for the new studio room that we're going to build. And right now the studio lights I'm working on it to be programmable with a iPad or Android tablet that's able to be controlled Bluetooth wireless. And right now I'm working on the circuits for it and designing and repurposing the lights to make them new then. What I like most doing about this project is that it's more hands-on experience, that anything, you have an input in anything that really happens. Like your opinion matters. It's not just teachers, but even though you will still get teachers' input, it's mostly your decision about what you want to do on your projects. How this class is different from other classes is that I like to build different things. Everything's more hands-on. I get to help make new spaces for the school environments so students have a better learning environment and they can use different tools that we would build for different spaces then.